Hey guys, Anagetos here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get into your stash if you don't know how to. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to your stash box, which looks like this, or this. It doesn't matter which one you go to, but then see that STASH tab. So you're gonna go over to your keypad, which is over here. You can basically like type in any four numbers you like. In this case, I'm just gonna shake my hand around the entire keyboard, the entire keypad. But you can do it however you like. Like for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how to get to your stash in Animal Company. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. And yeah, that'll basically end the video today. Hope to see you guys later.